Shandong Changyi Door and Window Engineering Company Limited was established in 2021, located at number 167, Yingdong Road, Dongcheng Street, Linghu County, Weifang City. Having professional door and window production lines. Company specializes in the production of aluminum alloy doors and windows, fire doors, burglar-proof doors, plastic steel doors and windows, advanced aluminum sliding windows, glass fire doors, fire-resistant windows, rolling doors, explosion-proof doors, unit doors, hollow-tempered glass, fireproof glass, doors and windows, hardware fittings and so on. Changyi has passed a lot of certificates to be suitable for Europe and the United States, the Middle East, Japan and South Korea, Southeast Asia other countries. The company in line with the quality first, reputation first purpose, to the sincerity of the concept of survival, we have a wealth of experience, means that we can understand you in today's and tomorrow's. Neighboring a variety of needs, we are able to provide from the structural design, choice of materials, professional installation, after-sales service in place in a timely manner of comprehensive services. Our products are novel and fashionable in appearance, durable and of high quality. They are widely used in public buildings such as residential communities, hotels, banks, airports, hospitals, factories. Changyi cooperating with many well-known domestic real estate development companies and has established a broad customer network around the world, with customers all over Europe, North and South America, Middle East and Southeast Asian.